All right, good morning. Hope everyone is doing well on this fine morning. Go over the stocks here for pre-market. So we had SVRE, we had SNGX for momentum this morning. Well, a little bit of momentum here on SVRE. A lot of momentum on SNGX this morning from about $1.50 all the way up to $6. Fading now very, very hard, which is quite unfortunate because I thought this would be a bigger mover at the open, SNGX. I thought we would get some continuation through that high there. As of yesterday I had a small green day, up about $90. I gave maybe about $30 off the top. You can take a look at the calendar for yesterday. So yesterday up about $91. The highest I was up was $122, but I did give back a little bit off the top. But ending small green for yesterday, which is good. I'm on a really good track here for the month of May so far. 3 days in, and I'm doing very well. So if I can just stay small green, you know, at worst small green, or sorry, at worst small red, then, you know, that's fine with me. As long as I'm not having huge capitulating red days, you know, that's totally fine with me. And, you know, any of those red days can easily be made back. So here we have SVRE, just took a break through $2. That could have been a really good trade. We'll see now if this moves up to the high. This could be worth the trade. I do wish to wait until the open to trade if I can help it, but if we do see a breakout here on SVRE, I will take it. We'll see if we have news on SVRE. It is this low, very low float, less than 5.5 million shares. As the float concludes successful pilot demonstration with Abu Dhabi Integrated Transport Center. Okay, you know, it's an okay catalyst. You know, nothing, you know, crazy, but you know, it is a catalyst, and it is up, you know, decent on the day, 72%. I thought SNGX would hold up this range here above VWAP, and that would have been really strong, you know, holding this for open and breaking through 6. I didn't even see it until up around this area, so I didn't trade it at all. Sorry, I did trade it. I'm actually right on it, down $44, trying to trade the range in this area. I tried to go for right here. I tried to go for that reversal and a breakthrough 537. We did see it, but the bids dropped so fast, and I couldn't get filled, and ended up taking a pretty decent loss, about 20-cent loss, 15-20 cent loss there. But, you know, it is okay. That's why we do small size pre-market. My statistics pre-market are very, very much worse than the open. Actually, I do want to take a look at that when I get a chance. Yeah, usually my profit margin for between 7 and 9 is like only 20% at the best. My profit margin at open is like around 50%. So I definitely never want to have, I don't want to have a red day before the market opens. You know, it's okay to be red, but I don't want to be max loss red or beyond red to the point where I can't make it back. So that's like my goal, to implement this year. Last year, I had so many days, man, of just so many days that I would just wake up and before even 9:30 starts, I'm already $300-400 red, and I'm already accepting that I'll never get green. And those are the days that I want to stop. So, kind of like implementing this sort of small size strategy, pre-market, and never letting pre-market put me so deep in the red, because it's just not worth it for my strategy and just my statistics with how I trade. Yeah, SVRE hard to trust. It is holding up though, so there's just really not much else to look at. So I think SVRE might be the only one, at least for fresh gappers. Seller at 198, you said? Yeah, it is holding above VWAP. It's the only low flow gapper right now that's holding above VWAP and has decent volume. So this might be the one to watch, even if, it doesn't look that great. This could be the one to watch. The daily chart, we're going to be at around 192. So we're up in this area. Let's see, did we break? No, we didn't break the previous high here. Yeah, so the first area we look to break, if it does give us a decent move, is going to be 243. 243 and up to 250. Could get some resistance there. And then look at this. This is nasty. That's some nasty stuff. I don't remember that. That was back in August. So we'll see what happens with SVRE. Big seller shifted to 223. Are you looking at this level too? I'm just curious. Or are you looking at a separate level too? Maybe DAS. Are you looking at DAS, trader? Oh, Webull. Yeah, Webull has a pretty good level 2. TOS doesn't have the best level 2. I wish they would improve it a little bit because, you know, you can't really see, it doesn't really show all the orders. You know, even here, like, it doesn't even really show all the orders accurately. But, hey, how you doing, Lance? Thanks for tuning in to the stream. Good luck as well. What are you watching today? What's your main stock on watch today? So we sort of have this ascending support in this area. The stock loves to pop, drop, pop and drop, pop and drop. So you gotta be careful. Definitely gotta be careful. SVRE breaking out of this little range here. All right, Lance, gonna be sitting on your hands for a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's not really much right now. Maybe something will pop up today. I thought SNGX was going to be the one, but it's just way too far off the highs. Yeah, see, yeah, we're definitely going to want a fresh gapper for today. I do not see any. Maybe some sympathy on like GDC or some dead cat bounce. Like maybe I did another dead cat bounce on some of these other previous runners like GDC, Top. I'm not a big fan of dead cat bounces. Yeah, SVRE probably is looking like the best setup right now. But still, I'm not sure if it's going to have that explosive move because the volume is not that high. We have decent volume, but it's not like explosive volume. So we'll see how the volume is at the open. If we start turning a million shares per 1 minute candle, then it could make a pretty decent move. the volume isn't too high now with the catalyst and everything else checks out perfectly. People might be scared to trade SNGX because of the large spread. Yeah, people might be, SNGX, if it does have a large spread, it kind of does actually. People may be more reluctant to trade it. Plus, it's already almost 50% off of the pre-market high. Unless it's really, really strong, I doubt it's ever going to break it back towards 6 today. Just because it's already, if it was, it wouldn't have faded this far off the high. But yeah, all right, Lance, have a great day. Hopefully you sneak in some trades today and get green. Thanks, man. Thanks for the like. SNGX is at around 3 right now. Pre-market high is $6. That's going to be super tough to squeeze up to that again. Yeah, definitely going to be tough. If it was going to break through 6, there would be some bulls kind of holding this up, in the mid 4s or 5. But because they let it come down so far, there's just not a lot of people accumulating. Maybe we'll get like a small little bounce off the low, but I don't think it's going to come all the way back up to 6. That's a very, very strong. It had to be very, very strong. SVRE has a better chance of making a move. It tapped the 200 EME on the daily and couldn't hold up. At this point, people should have lost interest in it, but I don't know. Their catalyst is strong. Yeah, the catalyst, you're talking for it. I'm not sure which one you're talking about. Let's see, the 200 is 156, so you're probably talking about SNGX. Yeah, the catalyst I thought was pretty nice too. Clinical results for compatibility study of Hybrid in the treatment of cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. So anything, related to cancer is definitely historically a good catalyst. And could make a decent move, but didn't hold up. Did not hold up. I don't know. If nothing really moves, this could be just a get green, get out type of day. I wonder if the news yesterday about the rate hike increase kind of weighed on the momentum on the small caps. Sometimes that does shift the momentum in the market. Hack W is another bank that was taking a crap. Wonder if people are going to be trading this. There's very high volume past couple days. These could be, I don't know, could be a move in here. Maybe to the short side. It is hard to borrow though on Thinkorswim, so we'll see. Alright, I'm going to shut down the stream a little early. I just got to go to the bathroom here before the market open. But if you guys are still watching, please hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the links in the description. Also, good luck today. I hope you guys get green. Could be a get green, get out type of day. SVRE coming up again. This is going to be my main one on watch. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys later.